Shiba Inu testing critical support at the 786, fighting resistance at the 618. Shiba Inu continues to hold steady in a very volatile market. Bitcoin dragging the entire market down. Can Shiba Inu hold the line? Welcome back to the channel, Shiba Army out there in the world. Hope you guys are feeling good today. And just 2 more days to our virtual party. Please join us. You can check out Shaitoshi Kusama's Twitter post, and you can find the link to our virtual party coming up in just 2 days. So looking forward to that. And yeah, there's really not a whole lot going on in the market other than Shiba Inu is just whooping Doge's butt. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys, give you guys some updates, and check in and see how you're feeling today. So my name is Mike, and this is ShibaCom TV, and we are here for all your Shiba communications. So let's just jump into some of the news going on around the space. Shiba Inu outperformed Doge in Q2, posting 11,501% in returns. So this is quite impressive. Shiba Inu had an impressive performance in the second quarter of 2021, outperforming the original meme coin Dogecoin in Q2 with a quarterly return of over 11.5 million %. Purchasing $1 of SHIB at the beginning of Q2 would have returned $456,000 when SHIB posted an all-time high of 3,791 millionths of a dollar. So SHIB is still in bear territory. With 55 millionths acting as a macro support line. The Dogecoin-inspired meme coin of Shiba Inu had an impressive and very impressive second quarter. The team at CoinGecko shared their analysis of Shiba Inu compared to Doge through the following statement and accompanying chart. Despite not being in the top 5 cryptocurrencies, SHIB outperformed Doge as it ended the quarter. At peak, if you were to buy Shiba Inu at $1, you would have made over $450,000. So very, very, very amazing. And this is the meme coin chart shared by CoinGecko. So thank you, CoinGecko, for giving us this valuable update. And that was with the $1 billion to the India COVID relief fund. So the report by the team at CoinGecko went on to point out that the value of SHIB hit an all-time high value of 3,791 millionths on May 10th. 2 days later, and on the 12th of May, Vitalik Buterin donated over 50 trillion SHIB to the India COVID relief fund. This amount of SHIB was worth roughly $1 billion. With Vitalik opting to burn 90% of the rest of the SHIB holdings. The sequence of events by Vitalik thus resulted in Shiba Inu correcting by roughly 82% to its current value of 68 millionths 2 months later. So even though we are still in bear territory, we are seeing more and more Shiba Inu locked on Shiba Swap. Shiba Inu is just, is one of the most bullish cryptos in the market currently. So I pulled up this article by FX Street, and it just raises some really good points about the current performance of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu price has shaped a constructive bottoming pattern with precise support levels and trigger price. Shiba Swap, a decentralized DEX, portrays a meme token slowly evolving into a successful real-world use project. The supply of SHIB on exchanges has fallen to early June levels, and more importantly, below the 30-day simple moving average. Shiba Inu price is plotting an inverse head and shoulders pattern. For those of you who don't know, that is a great sign. So it's offering a unique opportunity for investors to participate in a newer digital asset with a timely, high probability entry point. Reinforcing the constructiveness of the bullish SHIB narrative is the successful launch of Shiba Swap on July 6th and the declining supply on exchanges. Shiba Inu price to reward those that are patient. It is extremely rare for a newer asset to fall 85% over 9 days and immediately rebound, recouping a large portion of the loss in a similar amount of time. Instead, the tendency is for the asset to enter a process of knocking out the remaining weak holders and releasing the price compression that it inevitably results from an 85% decline. Over the past 55 trading days, Shiba Inu price has methodically charted a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern marked by several false patterns and breakouts. However, the result not only shows the three components of an inverse head and shoulder pattern, the left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, but also features a notable reduction in SHIB volume as the pattern had progressed, illustrating that the selling pressure has been largely exhausted. So this is really great news for us guys. So with the selling pressure getting exhausted, the pattern trigger price for SHIB is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. And that will be 922 millions. And the measured move is around 84%, featuring a Shiba Inu price target of 1,693 millions. It would leave the digital asset just below the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of the May crash at 1754 millions. So if we look here at this chart, we can see where that line actually is and how far away it would be. But in relative perspective to where we were, just months ago, this is really just the retracement back to where we were. And I do believe that we will make it there very soon. It would leave the digital asset just below the 38.2% Fibonacci. I love the 38.2 Fibonacci. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff here. Currently, Shiba Inu price is completing the right shoulder, which is showing some symmetry with the left shoulder in terms of depth, but it has a longer duration due to the sagging fortunes of the cryptocurrency market. Nevertheless, the pattern should soon resolve higher, with the most relevant resistance coming in at 1,204 millionths to 1,214 millionths. The only complicating factor for the positive pattern outcome is the pressure exerted on Shiba Inu price by the 50-day simple moving average, which currently resides at 797 millionths, as we can see by this chart, which is just above where we are. So all you bulls out there, we need to push through. We need to push through this simple moving average. It's just a simple moving average. If Shiba Inu price cannot hold the 550 millionths to the 560 millionths, the constructive outlook will be voided, and it will suggest that the SHIB bottoming process is still not complete. It is a rare scenario where a clear and constructive pattern is defined by exact support levels and a timely, definitive entry price while showing diminished selling pressure. Hence, SHIB investors need to be patient and actively watch for a change of fortune. So down here at the bottom of this article, it just talks about the sentiment supply on exchanges and how the sentiment supply on exchanges metric shows the total amount of SHIB located in known exchange wallets. So, increases in this metric may indicate a spike in short term selling pressure, while a decrease can signal a reduction of potential selling pressure for the foreseeable future. In the case of SHIB, the supply on exchanges metric now shows that the lowest level since early June. But what's even more important than that is that the supply has broken below the uptrend line designated by the 30-day SMA. It is the first time below the moving average since the end of March and may mark the exhaustion of weak holders, confirmed by the gradual reduction in the daily volume profile. So we are looking really, really good right now, guys. So keep up your hopes. We are going to the moon. And elsewhere around the space, I think that all of the entire market is just fighting to, see a major breakout. And I do believe the selling pressure is finally ending. So Elon Musk continues to tweet about altcoins like baby Dogecoin, but investors should tread carefully. So yeah, he's pumping all kinds of stuff. So anything but Shiba Inu coin. But guess what? Guess who's gonna whip ass? That's right, us. Some have garnered more attention than others. Dogecoin, for example, is a meme-inspired altcoin. So I think that Elon Musk is just a market manipulator, and hopefully, the good news is that every time he mentions meme coins, Shiba Inu gets a little boost of energy from buying pressure from it, because people just get interested in meme coins. They start Googling meme coins and they start buying meme coins. So it definitely helps us. But yeah, I do think that all of these competitor meme coins that are coming out now, riding on the coattails of Shiba Inu, are not going to last in the markets as Shiba Inu continues to dominate the space with superior technology and superior marketability, right? I mean, it's the only meme coin that has utility. I wouldn't even really call it a meme coin anymore. Um, it's just kicking butt right now. I mean, especially with the amount of total volume locked. I mean, a $1.5 billion locked. Yeah. So, Floki Shiba. What is Floki Shiba? So, Elon Musk tweeted that the name of his Shiba Inu dog is named Floki, and then somebody decided to go and create a coin called Floki Shiba. Yeah. So with the best socials, this milestone was achieved. Floki Shiba overtook popular BSC DeFi protocols like PancakeSwap and Launch Zone to lead the list. This represents the first time that Floki Shiba will top the daily list compiled by the popular BSC analysis platform. So, yeah, Floki Shiba improves on Dogecoin with new improved transaction speeds and better features. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain. So the meme token is hyperinflationary with an integrated smart staking system designed to reward community members. So I'm not really messing with this. I am a diehard Shiba Inu fan. I just wanted to let you guys know this is not a Shiba Inu project. So I stay far and clear of anything that is not Shiba Inu. Will the Shiba Inu coin rise again? Here is the latest prediction. Per FX Street, the coin added ETH USDC, Leash Bone, and Shib Bone pairs to the Shiba Swap exchange platform. These pairs essentially allow two forms of cryptocurrency to be traded at once within the Shiba Swap system, which can help bolster the lesser known cryptos while helping the others, according to Yahoo Finance. The exchange platform is a new interface that allows investors to use their coins in more places, according to Cointelegraph. Because of these changes, Shiba Inu is eyeing a 20% gain. It's unclear if it will hit that number, but it is preparing for a jump after it reclaims some of the losses it suffered after its peak in the spring. Right now, the coin is worth around 7,233 millionths, according to Coin Market Cap. That is a slight drop from the 7710 millionths high it reached within the last 24 hours. That said, the coin dipped to 717 millionths, so it's fluctuating within that range. So here's what we can expect for Shiba Inu coin. Reports have suggested that July 20th might be the date to watch for SHIB coin. As I wrote for the Desert News, Shiba Inu coin investors and influencers are set to launch a virtual party for the coin on July 20th. It appears Shiba Inu is looking to leverage its recent Shiba Swap exchange with this event. The company will be featuring a physical and NFT sculpture at a location to be announced later, according to investorplace.com. So, yeah, keep your eye on the markets for July 20th. Please join us at this event. If you are a Shiba holder, if you are a Shib community member, or if you are a soldier in the Shib Army, you need to be there and support this community. I will be there. And yeah, please, if you guys have uh, any request for information, if you have questions about, the platform, the Shiba Swap platform, or if you would like me to cover any kind of content, please let me know. I'd be happy to do it. So just leave a comment and I will help you guys out by, if I don't know the answer, I will definitely research it for you, or I will get somebody on the show who does know the answer. So, yeah, there's really not a whole lot to talk about today in the markets, just that Shiba Inu is still holding strong. We are just looking relatively like we're just going sideways right now. So yeah, there's not a whole lot to really talk about other than let's just get this thing going, right? I mean, July 20th is literally in 2 days. We are in a uptrend, printing higher lows, which is a really good sign. This, even though we do have that inverse head and shoulders, I'm just wondering, is this I don't know. I don't know if that could really be considered uh, a symmetrical triangle or not, because I mean it's not pretty, that's for sure. Um, I guess you could sort of formulate some type of triangle out of that, but um, I mean it would make sense since a lot of the other cryptos right now are um, jeez a lot of the other cryptos are moving inside of a symmetrical triangle. So I am just going to move this over here for some price targets. So yeah, so even based on this symmetrical triangle, it kind of goes with the inverse head and shoulders prediction, up around 950 millionths. So that would be up here. So yeah, that I mean That would represent, let's just see here, from where we currently are, it would represent a 40 to 44% increase. So, uh, yeah, just, keep increasing the buy-in pressure, guys. We just need to really continue to invest in what we believe in, right? I mean, if we believe that Shiba Inu is going to go to the moon, then each one of us represents, you know, uh, a small dot in every candle that is printed. Every single dollar that we invest uh, is added to every single candle that is printed. Just remember that, right? We are printing the candles. Every time we buy, we are printing the candles. Every time we talk about Shiba Inu on social media, we are printing the candles. Just continue to print the candles. So all hail the Shib Army. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.